Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love learning fun and fascinating facts about animals, you're in the right place. Did you know that frogs don't just breathe through their lungs? They can actually breathe through their skin too. This special ability helps them survive underwater for long periods by absorbing oxygen directly through their moist skin. Pretty amazing, right? There's a whole world of weird and wonderful creatures out there, and we're here to explore them together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another cool animal fact. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.